How to fill your OMR sheet correctly. Hello everyone. Before you begin your exam, it is very important to understand how to correctly fill your OMR sheet. Even small mistakes can lead to your answers not being evaluated. So listen carefully. Read the instructions at the back of the sheet carefully and always fill the OMR sheet using a pencil first. Once you are sure everything is correct, you may proceed as instructed. Filling your roll number. In the roll number section, fill up the circles as demonstrated. The first two digits represent the paper number. Fill in 01 for paper 1 and 02 for paper 2. The third and fourth digits represent the year, which is 2 and 6 for 2026. The remaining 6 digits should be 7, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1 as printed on your admit card. Make sure you carefully fill and darken the correct circles for each digit of your roll number. Each OMR sheet will have a unique serial number which will be provided. Ensure it remains clearly visible. Next, fill in your series. Carefully check your question booklet and mark the correct series A, B, C or D. Remember, if the series is marked incorrectly, your OMR sheet may not be read properly. Only one sheet will be provided to each candidate. Do not ask the invigilator for an additional OMR sheet. Fill it carefully and avoid any mistakes. While marking answers or details, darken the circles completely and neatly. Use only black ballpoint pen to fill the circles. Light or incomplete shading may not be detected by the scanning software. When marking your answers, choose the correct option A, B, C or D and darken only one circle completely. Make sure the circle is filled neatly and fully. Do not tick, cross or partially fill the circle. If more than one option is marked, or if the shading is unclear, your answer may not be evaluated. Do not erase, rub or scratch the OMR sheet. Do not use markers, white ink, correction fluid or blades. Cutting and erasing the corner square boxes on this sheet is strictly prohibited. Any such corrections can damage the sheet and make it unreadable. Handle your OMR sheet very carefully. Do not fold, tear or damage it in any way. Even small wear and tear can affect scanning. Follow these instructions carefully to ensure your answers are evaluated correctly.